Nie, jeszcze nie. Nie. Nie teraz, prowadzę. Nie, jeszcze nie teraz.
Do mnie pamiętam Leszek Bodzek i Aneta Hickenbottom i nakłonili mnie do tego, że może bym jednak zagrał. Musiało upłynąć kilka lat, żeby dotarła do mnie taka świadomość, że nie wszystkie seriale to M jak Mielonka. Rolę w tym serialu i że ten mój Rafał Wejman ma do przejścia, no bo to jest tak, niech cię, mam nadzieję, że nie spoileruję, nie?
Some difficulties regarding with no wind, so we have to we're trying to move the rotor, but there seems to be no wind.
Teraz.
The government's your friend, you see. That's what I have to say, or they will bury me. Don't you try to criticize, and don't you ever try to talk about their lies. I don't know what you've been told, but last time I checked, we had the right to say the things we mean and disagree and not have to face the guillotine. But if it's your head in the basket, then you just picked the wrong side of the revolution. The Patriot Act is the riot act with a PAT. What that really means is that they're watching you and that they're really watching me. And anyone who disagrees is sure to lose their liberties. A patriot has got to keep his mouth shut. But if it's your head in the basket, then you just picked the wrong side of the revolution. Child king and his army wing, they are hell-bent on the conquest. Our enemies on bended knees, they're gonna see it our way soon. Because the freedom that they steal from us, they try to export overseas. And now our former enemies are free to live a life of tyranny, the same as you or me. And it's a crime to speak your mind. And it's a crime, whoa, whoa, don't say a word, cause if you heard, that blade is gonna fall.